Okay, so let's see the single prompt website option. Okay, so when you will go inside this, there are over here also three different options inside single prompt. Now, this is something which is very, very important. Okay, any website, sales page, or webinar registration page. So, I want you to understand these options very carefully. See, your prompt can be, let's say, yoga course selling um, sales page. Okay, just an example. So maybe this is your prompt. Now we will talk about prompting in one of the future lessons, but let's understand this that as of now this is my prompt. Okay, so if I will type this, and if I have any website selected, it is going to do a very good job. Okay, in fact, let me just also show it to you. You know, so let me open this in a new tab one more time. So this is yoga course selling sales page, any website, and I'm putting this prompt. Okay, at the same time I will go back to yoga, single prompt, and now I am going to select sales page, and I'm gonna put this. Okay, so if you will see, I have put the same prompt in two different tabs. Okay, in one tab I have put it in any website, in another tab I have put it in sales page. So the key difference over here is that in any website, okay, it is trained for building any kind of website. So let's say if I'm building a sales page and I'm putting it in the category of any website. Okay, let me open this in a new tab once again. If I'm opening it in the category of any website, so it is still going to do a very good job. Like even if I have not selected let's say sales page, so if I have just selected, let's say, single prompt, it is let's say any website. So, and I'm asking it to create a sales page, it is still going to do a very, very good job, which you are going to see just now. However, the sales page is having more additional details which is relevant to the sales page specifically. So it makes sense that if you are creating a sales page, that you choose this option instead of this option. And similarly, if you are creating a webinar registration page, you choose this option instead of this option. But I have to tell you this, which is very, 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 very important, which you are going to see just now, that the website, that the landing page, which is going to be built with any website also, it's going to be amazing, and it's going to be next level. So this also does a very, 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 very good job. So my way of using it in particular is always going to be that let's suppose I'm going to put the same prompt in any website, and I'm going to put the same prompt in sales page also in a new tab. And see, if if this is a page in which I'm going to drive traffic, I want as many sections as possible. I want as much conversion optimized copy as possible, and I want multiple variations as possible to split test as well. So because let's say at scale, I will be spending lakhs of rupees on a landing page on a per day basis. Going maybe starting when you are starting out, you are spending thousands of rupees on a landing page on a per day basis. So when you are starting out, and whenever at whatever scale of your journey you are, like, your page conversions matter the most in online business. So for those page conversions, if you have multiple varieties of your landing page, right? So see, the coding work has started in the backend in both the pages. So if you have multiple varieties of your landing page in the backend, that is always going to be helpful for you. Lack of pages is going to hurt, not extra pages that you can split test, not extra pages in which you can pick one section from one page and use it in another page and to see the conversion. There is going to happen, it's not a possibility, it is going to happen that, let's suppose, out of these two pages, for sure you're going to like one page better, but the difference is only going to be 10 versus 9. At the same time, the page which you, let's say, which was at 9, in that page also you will find 3-4 sections ki, I need these sections also. So this is how I am going to look at it, and this is the differentiation between the two. And in the next lesson I'm going to show you the output, because it will take some 5-7 minutes, so no point waiting for it right now.